It's finally happened. The leak that Elon Musk himself didn't want out yet is here. The Tesla Bot Gen 3, now capable of performing over 100 real-world human tasks, has just been seen in a leaked internal video. And Elon's reaction: "I can't believe it." From cooking breakfast to folding laundry, repairing machinery, and even learning new skills on its own, this is the moment that changes robotics forever. Important point. But what's inside this leak is even more shocking than the robot itself. Because what it does next could rewrite the definition of work. Today on Road Zone Reviews, we're diving deep into what this shocking leak reveals, and why experts are saying the Tesla Bot Gen 3 could quietly become Tesla's most valuable product ever. 1. The leak that shocked Tesla. The footage surfaced late last night from what appears to be a closed demonstration inside Tesla's Palo Alto AI lab. In the clip, 2 Tesla bots are seen moving seamlessly across a testing floor, one folding clothes, another preparing a meal. For the first time ever, the robots are not tethered to a cable, not clunky, not experimental. They look alive, their movement is smooth, their hands precise, their reactions lightning fast. When a human engineer deliberately drops an object, the robot bends down, analyzes it, and hands it back without any pre-programmed instruction. Elon Musk reportedly saw this demo in person, and that's where the quote came from. "I can't believe it," he said. "Just a year ago, this would have taken us 10 years to achieve." The footage reveals something extraordinary. Tesla's Optimus Gen 3 is no longer just a prototype. It's operational and potentially ready for small-scale production. Important point. But here's the twist: this wasn't supposed to be seen yet. And once you find out why it leaked, you'll understand just how far ahead Tesla really is. 2. What makes Gen 3 different? Let's rewind for a second. When Elon first unveiled the original Tesla bot concept back in 2021, most of the world thought it was just an experiment or a clever distraction from Tesla's autopilot controversies. Back then, it could barely walk. It had limited dexterity, and its neural training model was still primitive. But Gen 3, that's an entirely different beast. Each arm now has 26 actuators, giving it near-human precision. The fingers are made of a lightweight carbon silicone composite, embedded with microtactile sensors that allow the bot to feel pressure and texture. It can tell the difference between silk and steel and adjust its grip accordingly. Tesla calls this breakthrough adaptive haptic intelligence, powered by a neural processor directly derived from the same AI chip used in Tesla vehicles. That means every movement, every touch, every response is calculated in milliseconds. No human-like delay, no clumsy fumbles, just precision, pure, silent precision. Important point. But what happens when a robot not only moves like a human, but begins to think like one? The answer lies deep inside its brain, and that's where things get wild. 3. The brain behind the machine. Inside the Gen 3 Tesla bot lies the true magic Dojo core neural net V2. This system doesn't just run commands, it learns. Every task the bot performs feeds back into Tesla's Dojo supercomputer. If one robot learns how to make coffee efficiently, all other robots around the world instantly share that knowledge. We're talking about a hive mind of learning machines, constantly evolving, constantly improving. Imagine this: you teach your Tesla bot how to cook your favorite meal once. Tomorrow, every Tesla bot on the planet knows how to make it. That's how fast Tesla's learning ecosystem is evolving. And that's why Elon Musk's reaction wasn't just emotional, it was revolutionary. He knew this moment marked the beginning of a new era, where software doesn't just run your car, it runs your home. Important point. But what if I told you that this same brain could one day outlearn the human mind itself? Keep watching, because Tesla's next move might just cross that line. 4. 100 human tasks fully functional. So what can the Tesla bot Gen 3 actually do? According to leaked documentation, Tesla has now officially trained the bot on over 100 functional tasks, covering domestic, industrial, and service-based work. Here are just a few confirmed abilities: prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner using pre-programmed recipes, clean, vacuum, and organize household spaces, perform basic mechanical maintenance like oiling machines or tightening bolts, assist in warehouse loading and material sorting, move objects up to 50 pounds, fold and sort laundry, carry groceries or packages upstairs, guide elderly or visually impaired individuals around the home, detect smoke, gas leaks, or hazardous environments, perform basic first aid and emergency assistance. Every function ties into Tesla's physical AI, a fusion of humanoid robotics and self-learning algorithms. In short, the Tesla bot isn't just performing tasks, it's mastering them. Important point. But the real question is, how far will Tesla let it go? Because leaked reports suggest there's one hidden mode no one at the company wants to talk about. 5. Mass production and cost strategy. Tesla has reportedly designed Gen 3 with mass manufacturability in mind. Unlike Boston Dynamics robots that cost over €100,000 each, Tesla aims to bring the cost below $20,000 per unit, roughly the price of a compact car. How? By using the same gigapress die casting technology that builds Tesla car frames, but scaled for robotics. Each bot's torso is a single die-cast magnesium shell. The arms and legs are modular, making repairs and replacements fast and cheap. Even the AI modules are hot, swappable, meaning Tesla could upgrade existing bots remotely or physically without full replacements. Sources say that Tesla is preparing to produce tens of thousands of units annually at Gigafactory, Texas, by 2026. That's when this technology stops being futuristic and becomes a consumer product. Important point. But wait until you hear Tesla's secret pricing trick, a move that could make human labor obsolete faster than anyone expects. 6. How Tesla BOT will change everything. Let's be honest, this isn't just a cool gadget. This is an economic revolution. Musk has long said that the Tesla bot will do for labor what the Model T did for transportation. Think about it, a workforce that never sleeps, never gets tired, and never asks for a paycheck. Factories, warehouses, restaurants, even hospitals, everything changes. And here's the key. These bots can learn faster than humans because they share a collective brain. It's like watching human evolution, but on fast forward. It raises big questions. What happens to jobs? What happens to human value when machines can do nearly everything we can? Even Elon Musk himself admitted it's both exciting and terrifying. But as always, he believes Tesla is uniquely positioned to guide that transition responsibly, using technology not to replace humanity, but to empower it. Important point. But what if this empowerment turns into dependency? Could we be building the very system that replaces us? The next chapter might shock you. 7. Humanity 2.0. A new vision. In Musk's words, the goal of Tesla bot isn't just to build a worker, it's to build a companion. One that can coexist with humans, assist with daily life, and eventually help colonize Mars. Yeah, you heard that right. Elon Musk wants the Tesla bot to help build the first human settlement on Mars. He envisions a future where robots construct habitats, grow food, and assist astronauts long before humans even arrive. Every improvement made here on Earth, every algorithm, every function directly contributes to humanity's expansion beyond our planet. So when Elon said, "I can't believe it," maybe he wasn't just talking about the demo, maybe he was realizing the future he imagined is finally here. Important point. But what comes after Mars? Because Elon's next phase for the Tesla bot might not even take place on Earth. 8. Tesla's NEW business model. Insiders suggest Tesla isn't just planning to sell these robots, they're planning to lease them, just like cars. For a small monthly payment, a Tesla bot could handle your home chores, monitor your property, or assist elderly family members. Tesla could even introduce a BOTAS, a service, a subscription, where you pay based on usage, like Uber for labor. Imagine an app where you summon a Tesla bot for cleaning, repairs, or errands. That's no longer science fiction, it's being coded right now. If this happens, Tesla could effectively dominate the emerging robotic service economy, valued at over $10 trillion in the next decade. Important point. But this plan hides a deeper game, a financial model so powerful it could turn Tesla into the most valuable company in human history. 9. Public reaction and next steps after the leak. Tesla's online communities exploded. Within hours, #TeslaBot and #Optimus Gen 3 were trending worldwide. Some people are thrilled, others are scared. AI ethicists warn about job extinction and autonomy risks, but investors, they're calling it the most disruptive product since the iPhone. If Tesla succeeds, this could make the company worth more than Apple, Microsoft, and Google combined. Why? Because Tesla wouldn't just control transportation, it would control labor. Elon Musk hinted in a cryptic X post just hours after the leak. What comes next will make the car industry look small. And now, we finally understand what he meant. Important point. But what if the leak itself was intentional? Could this be Elon's way of testing how ready the world really is? 10. The future unveiled. As the leaked video continues circulating, one thing is clear. The Tesla Bot Gen 3 is no longer a concept, it's a revolution in motion. From learning to lifting, cleaning to cooking, repairing to reasoning, it's the closest thing humanity has ever built to itself. A mirror made of metal. A creation that reflects both our brilliance and our ambition. Elon Musk's words echo through every clip, every leak, every whisper. I can't believe it. But soon, the world will. Finally, and that's the story of how the Tesla Bot Gen 3 changed everything we thought we knew about robotics and maybe even humanity itself. So what do you think? Would you trust a Tesla bot in your home? Or is this the beginning of something we're not ready for? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget we bring you the future, one innovation at a time. This is Road Zone Reviews, your front row seat to the future of technology, mobility, and human evolution.